Hi, what's up guys? So let's get Assault Knife for free. See, go in rank match and click this. That and go click and click this. No, I mean yeah, this. And your see this 2022 and season 3. Click the 2022 and season 3 yan, like this. And you can get the Assault Knife. Here the Assault Knife. But I don't get it. Where is it? Here is the Assault Knife. That. How to get elite token? Before you get that, you need to legendary rank. After you reaching legendary, you can play rank matches to earn elite token, which can be used for rebuilding seasonal award. Wait lang.